I hope you people are doing well. Today we are going to read another news that is BT Business Today. Today is 3rd September 2025. So we are going to start from the first news that is India. So the India INC worried about domestic demand slowdown. BTC for Business Confidence Survey. So with an expected gross domestic product, expected GDP growth rate of between 6% and 6.5%, India is likely to remain the fastest growing big economy in FY26. It is already set to become the fourth largest economy this year, and this is surely a cause for celebrations. However, that is half the story. Economic growth is fiscal is seen to be much slower than this previous year, even amid expectations of a revival in private consumption powered by the need of 1.45 billion Indians. Good, good remains low inflation, interest rates, as well as personal income tax cuts. No wonder when that the sentiment in India INC about growth prospects despite falling inflation and accumulative monetary policy and good monsoon rains is muted. This is reflected in the BTC for Business Confidence survey of 500 chief executive officers and chief financial officers conducted in the second quarter. It received largely cautious responses. The business confidence index recovered from the red to climb to 50.2%, 50.2 in the June quarter of FY26. Q1 FY26 from a 15 quarter low of 47.7 the previous quarter. But the sailing sailing has been far from smooth. The confidence, as measured by the survey, has remained well below the average in recent years. The Q1 FY26 reading was, in fact, the second lowest in 14 quarters. A number below 50%, 50 indicates a negative mood. Prior to this, it was the lowest in the December 2021 quarter, after which it was on an upward trajectory as India INC slowly shrugged off the COVID-19 pandemic lows, except for the occasional dip. Add to that the big challenge represented the US President Donald Trump's tariff policy that have kept the world on the edge. India which faces India which faces a 25% tariff on export to the US and an additional 25% penalty for purchase of oil from Russia is expected to see slowdown in exports as well as GDP growth. Before Trump doubled the tariff on India, Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary informed the Lok Sabha that around 50% of the total value of India's merchandise exports to the US would be subject to the reciprocal tariff of 25% effective August 7. International Monetary Fund IMF in its World Economic Outlook update released in July raised its global growth forecast for 2025 by 0.2%, 0.23%, but warned that a rebound in effective tariff rates could lead to weaker growth. An escalation of geopolitical tensions, particularly in West Asia and Ukraine, could introduce new supply shocks to global economy. It cautioned Reserve Bank of India Governor Sanjay Malhotra as a recent bi-monthly monetary policy review noted that economic growth is robust and in line with earlier projections, though below aspirations, the uncertainties of tariffs are still evolving. He said the RBI kept its GDP growth forecast for FY26 unchanged at 6.5%. Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageswaran too has said it is too early to gauge the impact of the US tariff, but added that India has not shown any signs of slowing down. The latest survey was conducted between July 10 to July 25. By then, India INC mode has had lifted. INC had lifted partially because two major conflicts that threatened to become prolonged came to an end, bringing much needed peace and stability. This included the brief skirmish, skirmish between India and Pakistan after a terrorist attack in Kashmir, and the Israel Iran US military conflict. An early monsoon with forecast of above average rains also lifted the mood. As per the survey, business across sizes and sectors were more confident overall than in the last quarter of FY25, while heavy engineering and services sectors showed a reading above 50. Light industry remained in the red with a score of 49.7. Similarly, big and medium industries were more confident about their prospects with business confidence scores of 51.8 and 50.6 respectively. In contrast, small and micro business remained anxious with readings of 49.9 and 48.5 respectively. Growth banks firms are keeping their fingers crossed on economic prospects. The survey revealed that their confidence in the overall economic situation going forward was higher at 5.1 out of 10 for the September quarter as against 4.9 in last survey. For the June quarter, they were also more bullish on demand with a reading of 5.4 for the current quarter versus 4.8 in the previous quarter. The sentiment on profit in the second quarter was also up with a score of 5, but the outlook on hiring conditions was still muted 4.7 versus 4.5 in the previous quarter. The economy is facing both headwinds and tailwinds, says Devendra Kumar Pant, chief economist and public finance, head of public finance, India ratings research and citing major tailwinds as monetary easing, faster than expected decline in the inflation, and likely above normal rainfall this year. Major headwinds are uncertain global scenarios due to hiking tariffs by the US on the all countries and weaker than expected investment climate, and in its mid-year economic outlook, the agency cut its India GDP forecast for FY26 by 30 basis points to 6.3%. Renin Banerjee, partner and economic advisory leader at professional services firm PwC India, says the first quarter of FY26 witnessed an uptick in both rural and urban demand, which was supported by income tax cuts and good rains. This led to an improvement in business confidence, he says, but cautions that companies remain on a wait and watch mode to confirm whether this demand will sustain. This is because of concerns around external sector developments, primarily geopolitical tensions and trade-related uncertainties. All this is making firms nervous about the sustained recovery in consumer demand. He says rating agency ICRA has also lowered its growth forecast for FY26 following Trump's tariff announcement. Aditi Nair, chief economist and head of research and outreach at ICRA, explains that when the US had initially imposed tariffs, the agency had lowered its India GDP growth forecast for to 6.2%, presuming a tepid rise in exports and a delay in revival of private sector capital expenditure. The tariff and penalty now proposed by the US is higher than what anticipated and is therefore likely to act as an handwind to India's GDP growth, he says. She says, we have lowered our growth forecast for growth from 6.2 to 6.6%, she says. Mood of India INC. Do you expect consumption demand to improve with 50 basis point rate cut by RBI in June policy review? Are you planning any capital investment this year? The repo rate. Okay. So this was the all news about this economic activity. India INC is worried about domestic demand. It is going to be slow down. So thank you for watching. uh, Please subscribe my channel, so going forward you will receive all the videos notification which i'll update I'll upload on my channel going forward, and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. Thank you very much for hearing me with patience.